What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to go over how to replace an iPhone 11 camera glass lens. I don't want to make the video too long, so I'm going to go ahead and speed it up as I go through it. And first, you're going to want to make sure that you have some tweezers and start breaking the rest of the glass by carefully prying it. I do highly recommend having some eye protection. Some of the glass will fly up as you may have to apply more force. The adhesion is a little tough. You can see me really having to get under it. While I'm doing this, I'm also scraping off as much of the adhesive material as I can to create a flat surface for the new glass. Now I'm just using a brush to clear any extra debris or any leftover glass around the camera. But also, while trying not to touch the camera, you really don't want to scratch up the camera or anything like that. This is what the new camera lens looks like. You can get this for cheap somewhere like eBay, Amazon, or any e-commerce place like that. You don't want to try and touch the inside part. It's a bit sticky and you can get your fingerprint on it, and then it'll be stuck on the lens without you being able to clean it off. Here I'm just forcing it down a little bit to make sure it's in place, going all the way around, making sure the adhesion sticks on good. Now I'm just cleaning off the lens. And there you have it. If you found this helpful, go ahead and like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.